My dearest brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. As February's cool breeze stirs, a unique warmth grows in our hearts, the anticipation of Ramadan. This blessed month is a guest that visits once a year, bringing gifts of mercy and forgiveness. Today, on the 4th of February, 2026, we stand on the threshold of this sacred season. The countdown has begun, not with noise, but with a quiet turning towards our Creator. Let's pause and feel that gentle knock on our hearts, an invitation to reconnect, to heal, and to be enveloped in Allah's mercy. Ramadan is a spiritual retreat, a chance to reset our priorities and realign our hearts. For 30 days, we focus on what truly matters, our relationship with Allah and the state of our souls. Think of your heart as a garden. Before planting, you must clear the weeds and soften the soil. The weeks before Ramadan are our time for spiritual gardening, removing negativity, seeking forgiveness, and softening our hearts with remembrance. Don't be overwhelmed by past mistakes. Allah's mercy is greater than our sins. Ramadan is a golden ticket to forgiveness and spiritual elevation. Nurture the spark of intention you feel now. Let it grow into a tree of faith. Prepare your heart to welcome Ramadan 2026 with hope and devotion. Let's begin this journey together, ready to receive the blessings ahead. May our hearts blossom in the coming days. What is Ramadan? It's the 9th month of the Islamic lunar calendar when Muslims worldwide unite in fasting. From dawn to sunset, we abstain from food, drink, and intimate relations, but the fast is much deeper. Ramadan is a fast of the tongue, eyes, and heart, turning away from gossip, negativity, and worldly distractions. It's the month when the Quran was first revealed, a celebration of divine guidance. We reconnect with the Quran, reflect on its meanings, and strive to live by its teachings. Fasting is one of Islam's 5 pillars, teaching obedience, self-discipline, and empathy. It's a spiritual training program, helping us master our desires and grow in gratitude. Experiencing hunger reminds us of those less fortunate, inspiring charity and compassion. Ramadan is not a month of hardship, but of empowerment and connection to Allah, His book, ourselves, and our community. It's a time to let the light of the Quran illuminate our hearts. Through fasting, we build discipline and empathy that lasts beyond the month. Ramadan is a gift. Embrace it fully. Ramadan arrives like blessed rain after a spiritual drought, opening the gates of paradise and closing those of hell. Allah creates the perfect environment for us to succeed, removing obstacles and inviting us back to Him. One of Ramadan's greatest blessings is forgiveness. Whoever fasts sincerely will have their past sins forgiven. Every act, fasting, prayer, charity, is an opportunity to start fresh. Good deeds are multiplied. Even a small act is magnified in reward. Ramadan is a time to invest in our hereafter, building our place in paradise, deed by deed. The discipline of fasting, increased prayer, and Quran recitation purify our souls. We become more mindful of Allah, and our hearts grow softer and more connected. The ultimate goal is Taqwa, God consciousness, a shield that protects us long after Ramadan ends. This spiritual rejuvenation brings peace and contentment no worldly possession can match. Ramadan is a gift. Embrace its blessings. Within Ramadan's final 10 nights lies Laylat al-Qadr, the night of power, better than 1,000 months. Worship on this night is more rewarding than a lifetime's devotion. Its exact date is hidden, encouraging us to strive in worship throughout the last 10 nights. This transforms the end of Ramadan into a spiritual marathon, filled with hope, and devotion. On this night, increase your prayers, Quran recitation, remembrance, and charity. The Prophet taught us to say, "O Allah, you are the pardoner, and you love to pardon, so pardon me." This dua captures the spirit of the night, a plea for complete forgiveness. Seek Laylat al-Qadr with sincerity. It's a chance to change your destiny. Don't let distractions rob you of this opportunity. This night is pure mercy, a testament to Allah's infinite love. Preparation unlocks Ramadan's full potential. Begin now. Reconnect with the Quran, even a few verses a day. Make a realistic plan for daily reading during Ramadan. Prepare your dua list. Write down your hopes, fears, and wishes for yourself and the Ummah. Plan your charity. Set aside money, research causes, and remember generosity isn't just financial. Be generous with your time, character, and kindness. Start leaving behind bad habits. Identify one or two to work on now. Don't wait for Ramadan to begin. Gradual change makes the transition smoother. This proactive approach shows a sincere heart, eager for mercy. Use these weeks to clear your spiritual garden and plant seeds of good habits. Enter Ramadan ready to grow. Preparation is worship in itself. Let's welcome Ramadan with open, prepared hearts. Fasting is more than abstaining from food and drink. It's a fast of the body and soul. Our fast is incomplete if our tongues engage in gossip or arguments. The Prophet warned, if we don't give up false speech, Allah has no need for our hunger. Let your fast be a shield from negativity and foul language. Practice patience. If provoked, simply say, I am fasting. Embrace sunnah practices. Have suhoor, even if just water and a date, and break your fast promptly at sunset. Share iftar with others. Providing food for a fasting person multiplies your reward. Ramadan is about generosity, community, and gratitude. By observing these etiquettes, fasting becomes a holistic spiritual experience. Let your fast purify your character and strengthen your bonds with Allah and others. In faith, it's not grand gestures but consistent small deeds that matter most. The Prophet taught, the most beloved deeds to Allah are those done regularly, even if small. Build your spiritual life brick by brick, daily Quran, regular prayers, small acts of charity. Focus on habits you can sustain after Ramadan. Sincerity is key. A small deed done for Allah's sake outweighs a grand one done for show. Ramadan is training for sincerity. Secret acts of worship are precious. Prioritize quality over quantity. Concentrated prayer is better than many distracted ones. Don't give up if you falter. Gentle persistence is the path. Allah loves those who keep returning to Him. Be kind to yourself. The goal is progress, not perfection. Consistent, sincere deeds transform Ramadan and your relationship with Allah. Embrace the power of small, steady steps. Ramadan is a communal journey, uniting Muslims worldwide. Strengthen bonds, reach out to family, neighbors, and friends. Share meals, gifts, or a kind word. Small acts mend relationships and spread mercy. Help others experience Ramadan's joy. Support new Muslims, the elderly, or those in need. A simple invitation or a food package can uplift someone's entire month. Encourage gently, lead by example, inspire with kindness, and avoid judgment. Remember, guidance comes from Allah. Our role is to convey with wisdom. Pray for the global ummah, especially those facing hardship. Generosity and empathy expand our hearts and give our worship a global dimension. Together we strive for a better world. Ramadan 2026 approaches, a ship laden with mercy and forgiveness. Now is the time for action. The intention you make today sparks transformation. Don't delay. Seize this opportunity with hope and determination. Let this be the Ramadan that changes your life. Connect with the Quran, perfect your prayers, mend ties, and build lasting habits. Allah does not burden a soul beyond its capacity. He knows you can succeed. Trust in His help, take the first step, and rely on His mercy. Make sincere dua to reach Ramadan in health and faith, and to worship in the best way. Enter with humility, knowing all success comes from Allah. May Allah allow us to witness Ramadan, fill our hearts with love, and accept our deeds. May this month bring peace, healing, and guidance to us and the world. Move forward with hope and a clear plan. Prepare your hearts. The most beautiful guest is on the way.